because we didn't follow directions. Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist, and before this, I was an appliance repair technician for 6 years. Dishwasher detergent, unless the packaging says otherwise, always goes into your detergent dispenser. Liquid, gel, or powder detergent, that's usually not an issue. These are usually the problem, but I use these all the time because I get them for free, and I never have an issue, so why is that? Place 1 pack in the main dispenser and close the dispenser door. Be sure to close tub after each use. Always handle action packs with dry hands. You put the pod in the dispenser and not into the bottom of your dishwasher, because if you put it into the bottom of your dishwasher, there is a pre-wash cycle. Pre-wash cycle is designed to knock off any additional bits of food that you may have missed. Even more reason you don't need to wash your dishes before you put them in the dishwasher. If you put the pod into the dishwasher during the pre-wash cycle, you're going to lose about 3/4 of that pod before the main wash even begins, because after the pre-wash cycle, it's going to drain the water out, refill it, and then start the main wash. Regarding closing the tub after each use, that is a lot more important than most people think. If humidity gets into that tub, those are going to start sticking together. This is an unopened tub, and you can see on the bottom everything is nice and dry. This is one that we have not been diligent about keeping it closed. You can see how some of the pods already started dissolving because they were a little bit too humid because we didn't follow directions. The reason the packaging specifies to handle them with dry hands is the same. The outer casing of those pods gets very sticky when it gets wet, so if the dispenser is already wet before you put the pod in, or if your hands are wet, it's going to make it really sticky and it might stay stuck inside the dispenser.